Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by powering off and disconnecting the headphones, then remove ear tips and any removable covers. Use a precision screwdriver and plastic pry tool to separate the shell seam. Work slowly because clips can break. Once the case is slightly open, use tweezers to free ribbon cables and note connector orientation. Make sure to keep screws and tiny parts organized in a tray so you won't lose them during reassembly. This initial access step sets up the rest of the repair. You next identify the battery model and confirm polarity by matching labels. This prevents reversed connections. Carefully desolder or unclip the battery connector. Use low heat and steady hands to avoid lifting pads. Once free, remove the old adhesive and fit the new battery in the same orientation, making sure the flex cable routes match the original. When you reattach the connector, press gently to ensure a solid contact. If adhesive is weak, replace with thin, double-sided tape to prevent movement inside the shell. You should reconnect all cables and power on the headphones before fully sealing the case. Test Bluetooth pairing and charging behavior to confirm success. Once tests pass, reassemble the shell, aligning clips then tightening screws evenly. Avoid over-torquing. After reassembly, run a full charge cycle and check audio playback. If something fails, first reopen and inspect solder joints and connector seating. Measure battery voltage to confirm charge. That single troubleshooting tip often reveals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.